Do you want to stop translating in your head and start thinking directly in English? You can, and you can start today. Hello, and welcome to English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I'm your host, Lovely. I'm so glad you're here. If you like learning English in a calm and easy way, please remember to follow or subscribe. It helps you find us again, and it helps others find us too. Today, we are talking about how to think in English every day and speak more naturally. I know it sounds difficult, but I promise you it is possible. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Let's begin with a simple first step. Look around you right now. What do you see? Maybe you see a phone, a chair, or a cup. So, here is your first tip. Name the things you see in English. In your head, just say the word. When you see a car, think car. When you see a tree, think tree. You are not translating. You are connecting the object directly to the English word. This is a very powerful first step. Do this every day. It is simple, but very effective. Now, let's make it a little bigger. After you name things, start to think in simple sentences. Use the world around you. For example, you look out the window. Is the sun bright? Think, it is sunny. Is it raining? Think, it is raining. Are you listening to a podcast? Think, I am listening to a podcast. Good job, you are doing it. These small sentences are your foundation. You don't need to think about big, complicated ideas. Just think about your life in the present moment with simple words. Let's practice together. I will give you a moment to think. It is morning. You are hungry. What do you think? You can think, I am hungry. I want breakfast. You are going to work or school. You need your bag. What do you think? You can think, where is my bag? I need my bag. Excellent! You are improving already. This is how you train your brain, little by little, every day. Now, let's talk about another tip. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, you heard me. It is okay to talk to yourself. When you are alone, just describe what you are doing. For example, when you are in the kitchen, you can say, now I am opening the fridge. I am getting some milk. I am pouring the milk. It feels a little funny, I know, but it connects your actions directly to English words. It makes the language live in your actions, not just in a book. Remember, the goal is not perfect grammar. The goal is natural thinking. If you make a small mistake, it is okay. The important thing is that you are thinking in English. Let's listen to a short example. Imagine a person named Alex. Alex is getting ready to leave the house.
Okay, I have my keys. Good. I need my coat. Where is my coat? Oh, there it is. Now I am putting on my coat. The weather is cold today. I am closing the door. Time to go.
Did you hear that? Very simple sentences, very clear thoughts. This is what we want. You can do this too. You can be like Alex. So, let's review our simple tips for today. Tip 1. Name objects around you in English. Just the word. Car, book, phone. Tip 2. Think in simple sentences about what is happening now. It is sunny. I am tired. Tip 3. Talk to yourself. Describe your actions when you are alone. I am cooking dinner. These 3 tips, if you do them every day, will change your English. They will help you think in English. And when you think in English, you speak more naturally. The words come faster because you are not translating. This is a journey. Be patient with yourself. Every small step is a big victory. Good job for listening today. Good job for trying. Thank you for spending your time with me. Keep practicing. Keep thinking in English, even for just 5 minutes a day. I believe in you. This is Lovely from English Podcast for Beginners, wishing you a wonderful and confident day. Keep going. I am so proud of you. Goodbye for now.